morning students, my name is Shweta and today I am going to teach the topic the sentence. This particular video is based on the topic sentence and this video is made for the class 5th. Sentence को हिंदी में हम क्या कहते हैं? वाक्य. What we call sentence in Hindi? वाक्य. All of you know what is a sentence in every subject, whether it is science or it is social science or economics or history or geography. Whenever we write in English, we always write anything in a sentence form. Clear? Anything with whatever we express our thoughts, that is expressed in sentence form. So basically, what is a sentence? What is its definition? Now since you don't have any books at home, so for explaining this topic, I have sent you some pics, and below the pic I have written pic number 1, pic number 2 and pic number 3. Whenever I will explain any pic, you have to refer to that pic. I will tell you which pic you have to see. If I say pic number 1, it means you have to refer to pic number 1. If I say pic number 2, it means you have to refer to pic number 2. Clear? Now in pic number 1, there are some sentences given. You can read the following group of words. Have homework, I am finished. This sentence does not make any sense. First of all, in a sentence, there should be a subject, a verb and an object. Subject means the person who is doing the work. Verb means the action which is done, and object means something on which the action is done. So, have homework, I am finished. This sentence is not at all complete in itself. Second sentence, you can see it does not make any sense. Second sentence, my homework. This sentence also does not make any sense because only object is given in this sentence. There is no subject and there is no verb. Now third sentence you can read, I have finished my homework. मैंने अपना homework पूरा कर लिया है. This sentence makes some sense. It gives you some meaning. It gives you some purpose. So this sentence is known as a sentence. Okay, this particular part is known as a sentence. So sentence are those group of words which make some complete sense. If no sense is obtained, or whenever you read something you don't understand its meaning, or you can't understand what is written, then that part is not known as a sentence. So always remember, sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. जिसको पढ़ने से कुछ मीनिंग निकलता है, कुछ सेंस निकलता है, उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? सेंटेंस. Okay, and in a sentence you will always find first of all subject, and then comes the verb, and then comes the object. This is the order, this is the proper order of a meaningful sentence. Now downside you can see there are some examples given of sentences. Vineet is a good singer. Vineet एक अच्छा singer है. Why were you absent yesterday? तुम कल absent क्यों थे? What a pleasant day it is. कितना अच्छा दिन है. I don't want to visit the fair. Fair means मेला. मैं मेला जाना नहीं चाहता. All these sentences, they give some meaning, they convey some sense. So these all are known as sentences. Clear? So we can see in the box it is given, in the blue color box, the summary of this is given. First of all, sentence is a group of words. When we collect the words, they all make the sentence. Sentence is not made up of a single word or two words. It is a group of words. शब्दों का एक समूह है. It makes, second point is, it makes complete sense. Now group of words, you can write any word. 4 or 5 words you write and you can say it is a sentence. No, it is not a sentence, because the only condition that a sentence is a group of words is not sufficient. Sentence सिर्फ शब्दों का समूह ही नहीं है, बल्कि उन शब्दों से कुछ सेंस निकलना चाहिए, कुछ मीनिंग निकलना चाहिए, तभी वो सेंटेंस कहलाएगा. When all these group of words are joined together to give a meaningful sense, then only it can be called as a sentence. Third thing, it has a verb. There is some verb, कुछ क्रिया होती है sentence में. Every sentence has some verb. Like in the previous sentences, in the previous examples, you can see the words which are written with the words like is, were, is, don't want, all these are verbs. They are known as verbs. Sentence will always begin with a capital letter. Sentence हमेशा capital letter से start होगा. It ends with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. At the end of the sentence, you will always put either a question mark or a full stop if you are asking a question in the sentence. Then you will put a question mark. If you are simply stating a sentence, then you will put a full stop. And if you are expressing your feeling, your thoughts, your emotions, then you will use the exclamatory mark. I hope it is clear. Now let's come to the pic number 2. In this pic, their kinds of sentences are given. Basically, there are 4 types of sentences. Number 1, assertive sentence. Number 2, imperative sentence. Number 3, interrogative sentence. And number 4, exclamatory sentence. These types of sentences are given in boxes you can see above on page number 2, pic number 2. First of all, I will discuss about assertive or declarative sentence. Assertive or declarative sentence क्या होते हैं? Now examples are given. Kunal is an intelligent boy. Kunal एक बुद्धिमान बच्चा है. Farha loves to eat ice cream. Farha को आइसक्रीम खाना पसंद है. Both these sentences say or state something. They say something, they give you some meaning. किसी न किसी बात को बताते हैं. So sentences which simply say or state something are called assertive or declarative sentences. तो जो sentence किसी न किसी बात को बताते हैं उन्हें हम क्या कहेंगे? assertive or declarative sentence. Means those sentences which give you some meaning, a simple statement. We are not asking any question or we are not expressing our thoughts or feelings. So in declarative sentence we simply say some thing, some meaning is given, some meaning is derived. Okay. Other examples of assertive sentences are Ashoka was a great ruler. Ashoka बहुत बड़ा राजा था. Sachin is a good batsman. In both these sentences, you can see that they have some meaning. You are giving some information. You are stating something. You are giving some sense through the group of words. So they are known as assertive sentence. And assertive sentence will always end in a full stop. No question mark will come in assertive sentence because in assertive sentence you are not asking any question, and neither exclamatory mark will come in assertive sentence because in that you are not expressing your feeling or thought. You are only giving some information. Okay. Second variety or second type is imperative sentence. Now in imperative sentence we give some order. Order means हम कोई आज्ञा देते हैं, कोई आदेश देते हैं, और we make a request, या हम किसी को सलाह देते हैं, और we give some advice, some suggestion. So they are known as imperative sentences.